mindful breathing meditation. Find a comfortable seat in a peaceful spot, sitting upright but not rigid. Allow your eyes to close or to remain open with a soft gaze. Take a few moments to scan your body, noticing areas of tension or tightness. As you inhale deeply, visualize breathing relaxation into any discomfort. As you exhale slowly, imagine tension dissolving. Bring a soft, relaxed focus to the natural flow of breath. Inhale and exhale through your nose. Imagine you are breathing in a color or quality like calm blue or golden light. With each inhalation, envision drawing in qualities of peace, compassion, and clarity. With each exhalation, imagine tension, heaviness, or distress gracefully leaving your body. Feel the coolness as air enters your nostrils and its warmth as you exhale. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen without controlling your breath. When thoughts, noises, or physical sensations arise, view them neutrally, like waves arising and dissolving in the ocean. Gently return your attention again and again to the anchor of the breath. If emotions emerge, name them with kindness, then let them pass by like clouds crossing the sky, continuously returning to the present through your breath. With each conscious inhalation and exhalation, feel your mind and body becoming more tranquil and still. Bathe in this sense of inner peace. As you near the end, reflect on any insights or shifts you noticed during this practice. Set an intention for carrying this mindful presence forward. When ready, take fuller breaths to transition. Appreciate having this tool to find clarity anytime. Make mindfulness a ritual, starting with just a few minutes daily. Gently open your eyes, feeling calm, focused, and grateful.